Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wave Payroll for W-2 filing readiness step by step clearly. To install Wave Payroll for W-2 filing readiness, begin by accessing your computer or device. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Wave website. If you do not already have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, locate the Payroll section on the dashboard. If you don't see it, check the sidebar or the menu options for access. Click on Get Started with Payroll to begin the installation process. Follow any on-screen instructions to add payroll features to your account. After enabling payroll, proceed to the Settings tab in your Here, you will need to input your business information. Ensure that all details are accurate, including your business name and address. Next, navigate to the Employee settings. Add your employees by entering their personal and tax information. Make sure to include their social security numbers and W-4 forms. Once you have added your employees, review your payroll settings. This includes choosing your pay schedule and payment methods. Now, proceed to set up your W-2 filing options. Review the federal and state tax settings to ensure compliance. After confirming your settings, run a test payroll to verify calculations. Check that taxes and deductions are calculated correctly. Now, proceed to generate W-2 forms for your employees. Navigate to the Reports section and select W-2s. Review each form for accuracy before finalizing. Once satisfied, print or download the W-2 forms as needed. Ensure to store copies securely for both your business and your employees. Finally, check for any updates or additional features within Wave Payroll. This will help you stay informed about compliance and payroll management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.